Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To replace the W5W license plate bulb, insert a flathead screwdriver into the notch in the cover and pry it out. Pry out the bulb. Take the new bulb. Insert it into its slot and push it in.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Replace the cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.